What is up, guys, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be going over what the exhaust brake sounds like while towing in a 6.7 Powerstroke. Not in this truck, in my tow truck. Let's go. All right, guys, today we are up at Allen Rock, the gravel pits up here in Cove, Utah, and we're picking up a dump trailer load full of gravel. So our lightweight trailer and truck was 12.8. I'm assuming that the load is going to be about 5 tons. So I'm assuming we're going to be about 24,000 pounds. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because I think personally that this is super cool. Seeing this in person is just incredible. So here we go. Even up here, look how clean this thing is. So anyway, I'm getting a load of 1-inch gravel for my driveway. That's good. $22,500. So we're about 4.9 tons. We'll see. Minus 12.8. 9,700. 9,700 pounds. So just shy of 5 tons. Close. Well, anyway, we'll take a video of how it does pulling and how the exhaust brake does down the hill. And here we go. So for the tune that I'm running for this is a 55 horse custom tune. If you need any tuning, give me a shout out, let me know. We're about to go down this this hill here. Let's see with the exhaust brake on and no brake how it does. You can hear the exhaust brake there kicking on. Still no brakes. Sorry about my dirty floors. We're working in the yard today. Still no brakes. Almost to a complete stop. Oh, the exhaust brakes on these things are killer, guys. There's that exhaust brake. It is 97 degrees and I had to turn off the AC to make this video so that you got the least noise as possible in the video, but here we go. This is about 60% throttle. Set the cruise to 65. Exhaust brake for you guys. So I've got all this stuff done already. Now I have my camper parked here normally, and so I needed to bring in a load of gravel because my camper was here when I did all the rest of this. I needed to bring in a load of gravel to fill this in. This is my backyard project. Okay, so we're gonna pop that open just a little bit so that the rocks can free dump out of there. Pop this open here. Hard to do with one hand. Get in here, we'll grab this remote. We're gonna hit up. Sounds like our battery is low. Now it's gonna start pouring out of the back there. Now what we want to do is we don't want to dump the whole thing right here because then we have to move it around. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump a pile here and then we're going to pull forward while it kind of dumps some out. Okay? Okay, so that'll be good right there. We're going to hurry and pull forward. A little bit more. So this is what it looks like for us. So that way we don't have to spread all of it out by hand. So then we take this, spread it the proper way with a rake later. But that's what we're going for, so here we go. That does it for today's video, guys. Also, I got my camper wrapped, so that's a win for me, moving up in the marketing world on my YouTube channel, so I'm super stoked about that. If you liked today's video, make sure to smash that like button, like squad, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content. This vlog is over. Peace.